Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by taking action now. Force stop the app causing system not responding. Then free RAM, swipe away recent apps and disable heavy background processes to lower load. Make sure your device has enough storage space. Aim for at least 500 MB free and clear the app cache. Once done, reboot the phone to apply memory and storage changes, because a restart clears hung services and gives you a clean state to continue troubleshooting. Now dive deeper. Reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause the hang. If the problem disappears, uninstall recently installed or high CPU apps. Next, check for system updates and install them because patches often fix stability bugs. Inspect storage and battery diagnostics for abnormal CPU or wake lock usage. Remove or restrict apps that show high resource use. Make sure to clear app defaults and reset. Finish by trying a system cache wipe from recovery if available, and only use factory reset as the last resort. Back up your data first. You can enable developer options and capture logs via ADB Logcat to identify persistent errors. These logs help tech support. Once you reset or restore, make sure to reinstall apps selectively to avoid reintroducing the culprit. If issues persist after these steps, contact the device maker with your logs or restore a recent backup to return to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.